everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today I'm going to share with you easy, effective, affordable way to get glowing glass skin, and the things that I will be sharing with you are going to be super affordable. They will become even much more affordable as you check out the sale from Amazon. So do check out the sale that is going on Amazon because you'll be saving so much, huge discounts. And let's start with the very first step for getting a glowing skin, which is the cleansing. So how do you do it properly? That's what we're gonna talk about. So let's start. So the very first thing that you have to do is double cleansing. Very important. For that you can use cleansing balms, but because we are talking about something affordable, cleansing balms do run a little expensive. So you could be using any oil that you have around you for getting rid of the makeup, the sunscreen, whatever you have on your face. So do that as the first step. Then wipe it off with the help of any towel dipped in little bit of lukewarm water, dip it there and remove this oil with the help of that. So next step that you have to do is you have to use a cleanser which should be according to your skin type. So if you have oily skin, then you can be looking for something which has salicylic acid in it, or you can be looking for tea tree. You can use Mamaearth's tea tree one if you want to. You can apply Himalayas face wash, which I think is one of the best sellers on Amazon, and then you do massage it well for 60 seconds. Very important because we want to get rid of the oil that we applied right now to get rid of the makeup. And with that, we also are going to make sure that each and every corner of our face is being addressed, because normally around the nose we forget, around the chin area we forget, which is neglected area. So focus there around your temple area and all of these places. Do make sure that you're cleansing well, and then wash your face and come back. I'll do that. Okay, alright, so when we have washed our face, the next step is getting rid of the facial hairs. I'll share with you. So what you have to do next is apply a gel. I am applying this Good Vibes Orange Gel, which is such a nice one. It does help in soothing the skin. It's so good, especially I love it for shaving. So I'll apply a thick layer of it. I'm not going to apply a little bit. Taking a thick layer of this aloe vera gel, or orange gel I would say, which also has aloe vera and everything in it. Then I'm using this razor from Senfe. I'm gonna link it in the description box, you can check it. So I'm gonna keep my razor like this, little tilted, and that way I'm gonna remove the facial hair, and you'll see how much of the hair comes out. So I'm gonna clean it to the towel like that, like this. Then similarly on this side. Alright, so I'm back after washing my face. Now next step that you have to do is toning your face, especially when you have done shaving and all. You should be doing that. For that I am using Plum Toner. It is super affordable, very good. I've recommended this to so many people and all of you have loved it. So I applied like alternate days. So I'll just pour it like that onto my hand. I don't even use any cotton pad. Like that I'll take a little bit of it and then I'll dab it onto my face like that. Next is the serum. So there are so many serums out there in the market. You must be confused which one to use, which one to skip. So you can use vitamin C serum, you can use niacinamide serum. I've been using this by Dermaco. This is their niacinamide serum that I am loving these days. This is very good for open pores, for any kind of clarity issues, or even for aging skin. It's very good. Niacinamide serum you should be applying. So I'm going to apply that, a little bit of that. And if you are confused about what serum to apply, then for what skin concern and type, do comment below. I will let you know. I'll make a special video about which serum to apply. So if you are confused, comment below. Alright, so the next step, which is very important, is about moisturizers. So there are so many available in the market. You can choose according to your skin type. Very important. So if you have oily skin, you can be applying from this Plum Green Tea moisturizer. You can apply. This is very good. And if you have little bit combination skin, you can apply this Pond's lightweight moisturizer. It's so good. It's very lightweight and affordable also, as we are talking about the moisturizers which are affordable. So you can try this, very good. Or if you have super dry skin, Nivea moisturizer, the blue one, my all-time favorite. I absolutely love it. I even love it for hands and feet. So you should be you can apply this It's totally up to you, whatever you want to apply. Giving you so many options. So this also is so good. Apply this. Even the smell of this just reminds me of my childhood. Just instantly gives so nice sheen to your face, gets absorbed quickly, and looks very good under makeup also. I really like it. Should be also applying a night cream. I really like this one from the brand Lotus. Again, this is their Haute Lotus Herbal Youth RX one. This is very good. You can try it. This is a good night cream. And if you are wondering like can you please make a video on the night cream options, then do comment below. I'll share with you like this whole option of night creams that you can buy, like top 10 night creams that you should be buying. Then do comment below, I'll make that. Then next step that I'm talking about daytime is sunscreen. You should be applying, very important now, you should be applying something which is tinted, because when you apply tinted sunscreen it becomes easier in a way that you are obviously providing coverage to your face. With that you are obviously providing protection. So it's like two things happening at once. And see how much I'm applying. And this one is also very good, Lakme Sun Expert, this tinted one. I really like the that one, what do you call that, the Lotus tinted one also you can try. So I'm also going to apply a lip balm, very important to protect your lips also. I am applying Nivea lip balm. So now that you are getting festive ready, that doesn't mean that you should only stick to your face. What about the body? So you can be trying is the this Pears body wash, which is 100% soap free, dermatologist tested. I really like this one. I'm using these days. I really like it for my body. So you can try this, very gentle and effective. Then after that you should always be moisturizing your body, or if you want to try anything lotion, you can try this Nivea Nourishing Body Milk 48 hour intensive moisture care. This is very good for very dry skin. So if you are having a lot of dryness or something like that, you should definitely take care of your body and skin. There is also one more in this, the skin whitening one, which is very good if you have had tanning and your hands and feet are tanned. You can try that option also, very good. Then for your body smelling good, you can be trying the Nivea whitening this sensitive roll-on, which is very good, and it does even help in whitening the underarms. And with that you should also be smelling good by spraying some mist. So you can try the Lair Water Girl Vanilla Twist one, which is such a nice body splash. You can spray it on yourself and you can be feeling fresh and looking beautiful, glowing this festive season. So with that, I'm also going to share with you in the next one some of the options for Karwa Chauth, for the festivities, like some clothing haul and all. Do you want to watch that? Do comment below. Eat well also, that is very important. Stay hydrated, stay happy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.